Good job. Next. Go. Right again. Number 11. Go. Okay, next. Another line. Very good. Next. Then another line. Good job. That's 11. Go on. Go on. Go. Next. 11. Right? Number 11. Go. Start with a line. Go, Dylan. Start with a line. Over here, line. Excuse me. Look at here, Dylan. Start with a line. Number 11. Go. Right 11. 11. Okay, start with a line. Okay, another line. Good. That's 11. Next. 11. Very good. Next. Another one. Another one. Go. Right 11. Very good. Last two. Next.
Lollipops.
Okay, last one. Right 11. Very good. Good job. Then number 2. Excuse me. Okay. Write the number 2. Next. Good. Sige, another 12. Go. Let's start with number 1. A straight line. Next. Number 2. Very good. Next. Another 12. Go. Start with number 1. Next. 2. Right 2. Very good. That's enough. Okay. Another 12. Then number 2. Ay, excuse me, dong. Ano number 2? Number 2. Go. Then, good job. Next, another 12. Then, the number 2. Excuse me. Look at here. Look at here. Hold your pencil. Go. Look at here. Right, the number 2. Look at here. Go. Right, the number 2. Go. Go, your turn. Number 2. Uy. Excuse me, go. Write the number 2. Next, good job. Next, another 12. Then number 2. Excuse me. We're writing number 12.
0.
Good job. Next, another 12. Go. Start with number 1. 1, then 2. Good. Next, another 12. Go. Last 2. And the number 2. What about the number 2? Dylan, let's write the number 2. Start here until here. Go. Good. Last one. Another 12. Go. 1. Start with number 1. Then number 2. Very good. Good job.